Hey everyone, I wanted to do a training on the HBNhelp.com page. So this is a very good resource that you guys want to make sure you bookmark, okay? First of all, if you click on the first one, which you see it's got product information pages, this has, and then you have to click on each page, each product, right? But then when you click on it, it will show you or open up each product page. So that's a good resource. You can also download these from your back office as well from the HBN library. Secondly is the knowledge base. So for example, if you get a client, now if you look here, you have a lot of different boxes, support, questions, getting started, your back office, terms to know, pay quicker, your gift, everything you want to learn, right? You guys want to start to click on these and check out to see what it is, how it works. And if you click on each one, it goes to more in-depth or questions and stuff like that. This is a really, really good resource. Now, here's a good way also to use this. If somebody's asking, like, for example, I had somebody ask me, hey, what's good to lower blood pressure, right? So if I was to put lower blood pressure or even to put blood pressure and hit enter, I basically get, 5 results for lowering blood sugar. And then if you start to read the product information, for example, this is going to tell you what helps with lowering blood sugar. So vitality, for example, if you read in the details in the information, and if you want to find it faster, if you hit Control on your keyboard and F, it'll pull up a little search bar, and you can actually type in the keywords. So then I can say, oh, right here. See, the reason why it helps with lowering blood is because the green tea in it. So green tea has multitude of uses from lowering blood pressure, right? And so here is a fast way actually for you guys to be able to do these types of researches on the products so that when somebody's asking you about that. So let's type in blood sugars. Okay, so let's see what we get. So we got Slimmer. It's a well-balanced blood sugar leveler, right? So it helps with your blood sugar levels. So lowering fasting blood sugars, right? Chromium helps with regulating your blood sugar. So black seed oil supports metabolism and improve digestion. May help lower your blood sugars or with your blood sugar. So you basically look at all of these details and information, right? And then we have, of course, our training page. Our training page is where you guys definitely want to be coming, especially if you're getting started. You want to make sure that you're clicking through each one of these videos. Now, it looks like just one video right here or one information, right? But once you click on Learn More right here, it's going to open up, and there could be possibly one video, 2 videos. So like in this illustration, it has 2. Tells you one about the back office, and the next one is on placement hold, right? So it really depends on which one you're starting on, because some of them have, like I said, okay, what do you do in the next 48 hours? Your goals, right? Again, there's 2 there. But some of them could have more than one video. And so you basically want to go to these and look at them. What are they saying? See, this one has, this one has a bunch of videos, right? On social media. People always go, what do I do? How do I get started, right? And this is one tips for marketing on social media. So HBN has already thought about what to do and how to do it and stuff like that. And so you need to be checking out these videos. So make sure to bookmark HBNhelp.com. Make sure to continue to read this resource because you're going to find all the product information details. The knowledge base is going to give you any types of questions that you might have. You can actually search, for products that help with certain ailments or things. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to say, it's going to help it for good, but we want to do that. Let's see. It has everything. Products, information, what does it do? What kind of iron is in your iron? What testing? I mean, it's just got a bunch of information, right? You guys go through all of this. And check it out. The more you learn, the more you earn. Why do I say that? Because the more you have knowledge, the more you're going to be able to tell your customers or your distributors more about the products. Okay, thank you guys very much.